Hi everybody, my name is Kendall Watts and I am the founder of Glam Gurl Beauty. Today I want to walk you guys through the steps you need to take to get a seamless and simple application with your Glam Gurl Beauty luxurious lashes. First, let's talk about the things that you need. You're obviously gonna need your favorite pair of Glam Gurl Beauty lashes. I recommend an applicator tool, but you can always just use your handy dandy pincher fingers if you need to. Some sharp scissors, preferably ones that are meant to cut lashes or small like this versus kitchen shears, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Make sure you have your favorite mascara handy to blend your natural lashes with the lash strip, and your favorite lash glue. Whether you like a clear glue or a black glue, grab your favorite and let's get ready to apply the Glam Gurl Beauty lashes. First step first, enjoy the experience. The luxurious Glam Gurl Beauty lashes come in this gorgeous box that opens here, and as you can see, your 100% 3D mink lashes are ready for application. Look at those things. This here is my favorite, so I obviously had to name her after myself. This is the Kendall Lash. I'm now going to start applying our lash. So this is when you'll want to grab your applicator or use your fingers. I'll show you with an applicator on this side and my fingers on this side. So you want to take your applicator and you want to pinch it by the band. You do not want to grab the lashes down here because that risks pulling some of these wispy lashes out and losing some volume. So you want to grab up here at the band, pinch, and remove from the carton like so. See that? Easy peasy. Now let's do this one with our fingers. Again, you'll want to take your finger, if you have fingernails, it really helps, and try to flick off the corner so you can then pinch the band, remembering not to grab the lash, and remove from the carton, just like that. All right, your next step is going to be measuring them along your eye. These are handmade lashes, so they make them extra long on purpose. Most people will need to trim a little bit off of their lash, and it makes it really simple to customize and make it fit you perfectly. So what you want to do is you want to look into a mirror and you want to lay the lash where you will apply it and measure it to see how much you need to cut off. As you can see, I need to cut off about a cluster or two at the end. I always recommend cutting from the end first, and I usually cut off, if you can see here, in the very front, I cut off that little tip so there's no pokey spots, there's no like thicker band poking out from the front. So I trim that very little bit in the front, and then I will cut out about 1 or 2 clusters from the back of the lash. Always start with less, you can always cut more. I'm gonna start by removing, you see this? Removing 1 cluster. Use sharp scissors so it's easy to take off. And then I'm gonna turn it to the front. And we're going to cut just the band, no lashes. Just like that. Remeasure to make sure you cut the appropriate amount. And if you didn't, this is where you would go in and cut again. So it looks like it's going to lay perfectly, not hang off the edge and not poke me in the inner corner. Now it's time to get ready to lash. Next, I want you to grab your favorite mascara and do a very light coat just to make sure your lashes are all black so they blend with the strip. And I like to think of it as a little shelf for your lash strip to sit on top of. It gives it a little support, like a push-up bra. We all enjoy a good push-up bra. Your lashes enjoy a good push-up lash. So I like to wiggle along the bottom to give me that little extra shelf, okay? And then it's black, so it's making my blonde lashes black, which will help blend with the fake lash. Now, you want to let your mascara completely dry before you start going in with your lash, okay? So Now let's grab our lash and start working with our glue. For this look, I'm going to be using clear glue, but you can use clear glue or black glue, and you should be able to get the same seamless, simple application with your Glam Gurl Beauty lashes. So I'm taking my clear lash glue right here. It may appear a little iridescent or even white. And I'm putting it, let me show you exactly where I'm applying it. I'm applying it not to the back of the band, but I'm applying it to the top of the band. This way we can lay our lash down and get that nice curl. If you want more of an out lash instead of an up curl, that's when you put the glue on the back. But me, I like big, fluffy, curly lashes. So I put the glue on the top of the band and apply and position the lash to give me that look, okay? So now that our lash glue is applied, I'm gonna close up my glue nice and tight so it doesn't dry out on me. And as you can see, it is on the top of that band. And we are going to put the lash down, my friends. Put the lash down, and you will come back to it in 15 to 30 seconds when it is nice and tacky. It's the only thing in our life that we want to be tacky, okay? All right, let's put these bad boys on our eye and see how this application process goes. So I have it here with my tool. Again, you could just use your pincher fingers, but I'm pinching it with this lash tool, okay? And I'm holding it up and down, you see? Holding it up and down. You're going to grab a mirror because the key part in an easy application is looking down into a mirror. You want your real lashes out of the way, and you want to be able to easily view the lash line and your lid, all right? So now we're gonna take the lash angled up right in the middle, and we're going to plop that middle part right onto our eyelid right above our lash line. If the glue is tacky enough, it should stay, and then you just grab your applicators, grab your applicators, and put them exactly where they need to be in the back and the front. Then you don't have to worry about your fingers getting in your eyes, bacteria getting too close to your eyes. All right, now I like to look down while the lash glue completely dries onto our eyelid and lash line. And I like to press with that lash applicator. You can see it's angled, and it works really well to press the lash line onto your eyelid so that glue adheres beautifully. You can also go underneath and give it a little lift. And you can also use these to go in and give it a little pinch. And now you have your favorite pair of Glam Gurl Beauty lashes on your eye, and you are ready to conquer the day. Wasn't that so simple, you guys? I will be right back. Let me apply the lash to the other eye and show you what the Kendall lash looks like finished. And there we have it, you guys. Both of the Kendall lash from Glam Gurl Beauty applied. Very simple, very seamless, and really quick. So whether you already have your Glam Gurl Beauty lashes on their way to you, already in your hands, or if you're ready to go shopping now you'll be able to apply your Glam Gurl Beauty lashes. Let me know in the comments down below if this application video helps you. And please let me know if you have any questions. I am so eager and happy to help you. Again, I am Kendall Watts, the founder of Glam Gurl Beauty, and I am extremely honored to be a part of your new beauty routine.